Italian naval diplomacy, world's most beautiful ship, port calls Karachi. UNICEF's Goodwill Ambassador, 93-year-old wooden ship, Amerigo Vespucci, reckoned as the world's most beautiful vessel, took a taste of Italy on its 20-month-long circumnavigation around the globe, visiting 36 ports in 32 countries, adding a new page in the art of navigation. Amerigo Vespucci moved for 3 days at Karachi Port, its 29th stage of the world tour, on 7 December 2024, where it was welcomed, among others, by the Italian Ambassador Marilina Armellin, Vice Admiral Vincenzo Montanaro, Envoy of the Italian Chief of Naval Staff, Defense Attaché Enrico Rosa, and Consul General Danilo Giurdanella. Commanding Officer Captain Giuseppe Lai, while talking exclusively to News Pakistan TV, told that Amerigo Vespucci first toured the world 2 decades ago.
This visit is the first time of Amerigo Vespucci here in Pakistan, specifically to Karachi. We are very proud to have included Karachi in the world tour. The world tour of Vespucci started more than 1 year ago, on the 1st of July 2023, from Genoa. After that, we crossed the Mediterranean, then the Atlantic Ocean. We circumnavigated, and then after crossing the Pacific, we eventually arrived in Southeast Asia and now in Karachi. So the first one, the ship, was in 2002-2003. But at that time, the tour didn't pass this way. They went south of it, so it was pivoting on Australia and then in East Africa.
Speaking about number of crew, he informed,
At the moment, we have 250 people on board, but when we have the cadets of the Naval Academy, the number grows up to 400.
Captain Giuseppe Lai told that Amerigo Vespucci is a UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador.
It means that we share with them a value of inclusion and about goodwill ambassador. That was the award that was given to the ship back in the days.
He told that Italian Navy pays a lot of attention to the environment.
There is a lot of attention about the environment. As you say, this ship basically sail using sails. We have also an electric engine, so when we have enough wind, we use also that. But there was always a very high sensibility about this topic. We are very, very glad to be here. We are very happy to visit in Pakistan. For the ship is the first time. For me personally is the second time, specifically here in Karachi. I was here 6 years ago and I was very warm welcomed by the Pakistani people.
Captain Giuseppe Lai, who visited Karachi on board Carlo Magatini 6 years ago, while answering to News Pakistan TV query, informed that Amerigo Vespucci was an Italian explorer in late 15th, early 16th century.
Amerigo Vespucci is one Italian explorer. Actually, he came after Cristoforo Columbus. We also had another ship named after Cristoforo Columbus, was the twin of this one. So actually, Amerigo Vespucci is somebody who came after Cristoforo Columbus, but is the person after which the name of America was given to the continent. He was a scholar, so he deepened his understanding about the exploration of Cristoforo Columbus and also about Marco Polo. And reading to Marco Polo, he understood that there was no land, according to the scripts of this guy, at a very lower latitude. He traveled to Argentina, to South America. And from this understanding, he understood that actually it was not India, what Cristoforo Columbus discovered. He believed he came here. He was finding the way to came west to this place. And actually say this is not the spot, there is something in between. And this is very good for our students because we teach them that after perseverance, studying, deepening your knowledge, you can achieve results. So it's not only the courage and the genius of Cristoforo Columbus, of course, that is very good, but also the perseverance and carry on in studying.
Although his voyages of discovery to the Americas were under the Spanish flag, Cristoforo Colombo, better known as Christopher Columbus, was actually Italian. Ambassador Her Excellency Marilina Armellin, while talking exclusively to News Pakistan TV, stated,
We are very proud that the Italian flag yet again has come here to Karachi. It's the fourth time an Italian ship docked here in Karachi in the last 3 years. This is yet again another testament to the friendship between Italy and Pakistan. We want to be present here. We want to continue and boost our friendship.
Talking exclusively to News Pakistan TV, Consul General Danilo Giurdanella said,
So I'm very happy to welcome here in Karachi the Vespucci ship, which is our historical training ship and an example of excellency of made in Italy. She's been working with the Italian Navy since 1931, and is the first time that this ship arrives in Karachi as an example of the strengthening of bilateral relationship between Italy and Pakistan.
Amerigo Vespucci's Public Relations Officer, Lieutenant Palma Agosta, pointed out that Leonardo da Vinci's saying, "Not he who begins, but that which perseveres," is the motto of the ship that drives permanent crew, including 25 girls presently on board and students of the Naval Academy, to the sea. An exposition of photographs titled Siamo Mare, We Are Sea, is also traveling with the stunning historic ship Amerigo Vespucci, featuring Italian coastal landscape, beauty of the sea, biodiversity, and environmental sustainability.